Introducing the Dreame Mova G30 Pro, a revolutionary cleaning robot developed to tackle multiple tasks with efficiency and ease. This advanced device boasts multifunctionality, offering mopping, washing, and dust collection simultaneously, making it a versatile companion for all your cleaning needs. With an impressive 8,000 pascal suction power, it effortlessly handles various cleaning tasks, ensuring a pristine environment with every pass. One of the standout features of the G30 Pro is its active hair cutting roller brushes, which prevent hair entanglement, ensuring smooth operation and hassle-free maintenance. The robot also features an automatic lifting mechanism for the mopping cloth, facilitating effortless cleaning across different surfaces. In terms of navigation and obstacle avoidance, the G30 Pro utilizes AI action technology, enabling precise millimeter-level maneuvering around obstacles. This, coupled with its 99.99% antibacterial effectiveness, makes it a powerful tool against germs and bacteria on the floor. Equipped with a 360 degrees driverless level navigation system, the G30 Pro efficiently maps and navigates complex home environments. It can recognize up to 70 types of obstacles, ensuring comprehensive cleaning without unnecessary contact. Additionally, the device supports AI voice control, allowing users to initiate cleaning tasks through simple voice commands. Pet owners will appreciate the pet care mode, which adjusts the cleaning strategy around pets for more effective cleaning. The G30 Pro emphasizes continuous cleanliness with its real-time self-cleaning system, using fresh water to ensure that the mopping cloth is always clean for each use. It supports hot water circulation for mopping, effectively removing stubborn stains and dirt. The robot also introduces a water stain cleaning mode for specialized cleaning tasks. For added convenience, the G30 Pro features an ultra-comprehensive 10-function base station, including automatic flushing of the main sewage tank and automatic water discharge, minimizing manual intervention. With a 4.5 liters clean water tank and automatic dust collection, this robot is developed for ease of use and efficiency. With dimensions of 498 by 390 by 350 mm and a net weight of around 16 kilograms, the G30 Pro is compact yet powerful. Operating at a power rating of 75 watt and a rated voltage of 220 volt, it offers reliable performance. The dust bag capacity is approximately 4 liters, and both the main unit's water tank and dust box capacities can handle significant amounts of dirt and debris. Featuring a Starship-inspired appearance language and constructed from durable ABS material, the G30 Pro blends aesthetics with functionality, ensuring durability even in harsh environments. With its impressive array of features and capabilities, the Dreame Mova G30 Pro sets a new standard for automated cleaning solutions. Exciting news for tech enthusiasts and home cleaning aficionados. The highly anticipated Dreame Mova G30 Pro robot vacuum is now available at an irresistible introductory price on JD.com. Pioneering convenience and efficiency in home cleaning, this advanced cleaning companion can be yours for just 52.99 yuan or $744. JD.com, one of China's largest e-commerce platforms, is proud to offer the Dreame Mova G30 Pro at this special introductory price, making it accessible to a wide range of users eager to experience the future of automated cleaning. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.